Experiencing rapid battery drain on your Apple Watch SE3? You're not alone. This section breaks down the primary culprits behind this issue. The always on display keeps your screen active, consuming significantly more power. Try disabling it via Settings, Display, and Brightness if you need longer battery life. Certain apps, especially fitness trackers and social media, can drain power through notifications and background activity. Force close unused apps by pressing the side button or manage background refresh in Settings, General, Background App Refresh. How you charge also matters. Stick to official chargers and avoid extreme temperatures. Aim to charge to 80% daily and fully deplete the battery monthly to optimize its lifespan. If basic tweaks aren't enough, try a force restart by holding the side button and digital crown for 10 seconds. You can also reset your watch by going to Settings, General, Reset, and erasing all content. Ensure your watch is updated to the latest watchOS version via the Watch app on your iPhone, as updates include battery optimizations like adaptive AOD brightness and app background throttling. Wearable battery technology is trending towards efficiency, with future Apple Watch models featuring solid-state or graphene-based batteries. Looking ahead, expect solar charging capabilities and AI-driven optimizations. By managing settings, keeping software up to date, and following best charging practices, you can maximize battery life.